something. This is the clear set. We need a certification that the Libras from Evil Ireland.
Three times.
Facade design is taken from bamboo basket.
Today the construction work has started, and therefore we felt it most appropriate that we need the blessings from the Almighty to ensure that this project goes in the right direction and is completed on time. And therefore we have requested Father Richard Majau, who has come and blessed the entire work that's going on here. And we also, along with Minister and myself, have participated in this entire process, where we have also poured some of the cement and the concrete with our own hands into the first foundation of the north stand. And we're very excited about this project. This is a very important project for us, and as I said, this will put us right at the national as well as a global map of soccer and football. And we are hopeful that this will not just be a stadium for the state alone, and but it will be a stadium which will be seeing very large and very important matches at the national as well as the global level taking place. And it's not just a stadium out here. As you're aware, there's also going to be the football academy, which will be right next to it, which will be run by the Northeast United FC, as well as we'll have other facilities around this entire area. So it's a very important project for us, and we are hopeful that this will be a very important game changer for the entire football soccer scenario in the state of Meghalaya.
1, 2, 3, one more.